Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So in this we're going to talk about the for loop. Okay, so we're going to start talking about loops in C++. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is basically recap some of the things that we've done before. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So if you guys remember, we have talked about expressions. Okay, so these expressions such as 5 greater than 3, this will return a bool value, which I didn't talk. I think I didn't talk yet, but maybe I don't remember exactly. So let's compile this, and we definitely make something happen here. Let me just see the output. It's taking quite a while to compile this. Let's see. Yeah, it's compiling. Let's just wait until the compilation is done. So you guys can see we see 1 as an output. So this means true, as you guys may remember. But today we're going to talk about the for loop. So I'm going to break it down how the for loop works. Okay, so this is a thing that you guys would definitely use a lot. So let's say I want to iterate over an array. You guys probably remember what an array is, since we talked about in recent videos. So let's say I have like the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we're gonna do something to each element of this array. So what we could do is to iterate over this array. Okay, so to do that we use the for loop. So the for loop, which I'm gonna write right now, is this. Okay, we pass a for keyword, and we pass 3 arguments inside of it. So the first argument is some initial number. Okay, it is a variable, so we need to create a variable, a local variable. So most of the time this variable will be an integer, such as I say. So we need to give it a initial value. So in this case we're going to initialize as equals 0, something like this. And to finalize the first statement, we're going to put a semicolon. Okay, so this is the first part. You guys can take this as the initial value, which is 0. We are creating a variable which will be used in this scope, and we are assigning it as equal to 0. So the second part is the condition. So this is one of the most important parts of this in this case. So let's say I want to create numbers until 10. So while I can read as while I minus 10, something like that. So you guys remember that this is a statement. Okay, this is evaluating some condition. So I is I less than 10. So this will be returning 0 until some point when I will be equal 10 and will no longer be less than 10. So the condition will be true and the loop will stop. Okay, so the last part is the increment. So we're gonna add I++, which will increase the value of I in 1. So there you go. This is basically the for loop. I'm gonna basically print out, see out actually the I value. So let's do this. So you guys should see a lot of numbers starting from 0 to 9. So you guys can see here. You guys are probably seeing right these numbers. So there you go. I'm gonna definitely need to explain more about the for loop. So for this video is just this, guys. Hope you enjoy. See you guys next time.